Hi. In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.